Hey guys, today I got a great comment asking if the Canon R6 Mark II paired with the Canon RF 2870 f2 can balance on the DJI RS4 Mini. Let's answer that today and I'll show you the best alternatives too. The Canon RF 2870 f2 is an incredible lens, but it's also massive. It's simply too heavy and too front heavy for the RS4 Mini to handle. The RS4 Mini is designed for smaller, lighter setup. Once you try mount a big lens like the f2, you quickly run auto clearance and weight issue. So what works instead? Here are better options for the RS4 Mini. The Canon RF 2870 f2.8, lighter and easier to balance. The RF 2470 f2.8, classic choice for the gimbal. And smaller RF primes, perfect for lightweight, stabilized shooting. Or if you really want to use the f2 lens, upgrade to the RS4 Pro. Your name for the last time. One day we're here, then we flatline. I'm running through all the red lights, chasing a feeling I can't find. If we're going downhill together, let's make this one to remember. Maybe we both deserve better. Maybe I'm just too used to you. Let's never live on forever. Let's make this one to remember. I'll try. So guys, the RF 2870 f2 is just too heavy for the RS4 Mini. But with the f2.8 or lighter lenses, you'll be perfectly fine. And if you're going to use the 2870 f2, just check the RS4 Pro is way to go.